Hey YouTubers, it's me, I'm back. It's Friday night. I want to give you a quick rundown of where I am with the trailer and just start with a little bit of good stuff, a little bit of the wine, a little bread and butter Chardonnay. Anyway, I'm going to make my way out onto the roof here and show you where I'm at with the roof and the progress to this point, and here we go. So as you can see, I've got my lights up there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one's on the front there. I've got my 2 solar panels. They are ready to go, ready to charge up the batteries as we speak. I have got the roof venting done for the fridge there. You've seen a video on that. Of course, you've got my fantastic fan all in and ready to go. So there we have it. This is the roof area, and more to follow shortly on the Geerage Inside Edition. Talk soon. Okay, so here we are now down at the trailer. It's getting nighttime now, still on Friday night, and you can see a little bit of what I've done here. So I've got some perimeter lights up, one on the side where we are, and then I've got one on the front here, on the front of the box. You can see that one moving up to the side. I've got lights on the side of that. And then when we go down the other back of there, we've got all 4 sides. So all 4 sides are all lit up. And that's what it's all about, is lighting up the perimeter of your trailer when you're out boondocking. In case any 2-legged or 4-legged creatures come around, it's always good to have a little bit of light out. So anyway, stay tuned for more from the inside. Okay, so from the outside, let's take a cruise inside and check this place out. Shrink down the handle here. So of course you know the stairs. They are what they are. And coming in the kitchen now. I have got the backsplash down. I got the countertop done. The sink is in. I've got in my other plumbing videos, you've seen me get the plumbing all in. I got power in underneath the cabinet, stove spot, and drawers, of course, and upper cabinets. So, and then I will be working this weekend on getting the fridge, or sorry, the bathroom area all fixed up. So anyway, there we have it. We'll continue on. We have got the fridges in and done. I mentioned this before. We've got these pantry area roll in, roll out slides. We've got some storage ideas here. And that works fine, you know, just some storage ideas to get that done. And of course, all my power and electrics is all in and hooked up and all ready to go. Solar system's up, running, charging the batteries. Ceiling's all done. Of course, I mentioned to you before, Donna painting that for me. Home is where the KTM and Can-Am are. That was amazing. Loved it. Anyway, trim's all done. Windows are in, cabinets are done. I will be working this weekend on getting the floors done and going from there. So anyway, hey, stay tuned. That's it for now. I will get back to you with a little more progress as it comes along. If you have enjoyed this video, subscribe if you wouldn't mind, please. And give it a thumbs up for a like. You know, the whole point in the videos that I'm making are just kind of trying to produce something that you guys are appreciating over time. So give you ideas, just like others who gave me ideas to get some of this stuff done. So hey, getting closer to the end now, and it's time to call it a wrap for the night and get back at her tomorrow. I've got all day Saturday and all day Sunday to continue on killing it. Anyway, Bruce from the Geerage out.